What's up everybody? Chef Glenn B and I'm back with a garden update. Powdery mildew. I have been fighting powdery mildew on these cucumber and squash plants forever, it seems like. The squash plants recovered, but the cucumber did not. I knew that I had to pull the plants and the dirt. As far as the lettuces go, I pulled most of them. I decided that I was going to transfer the strawberry plants into one of the vertical planters that the lettuce was in. I learned that the strawberries really start producing well in the second year, and they spend the first year getting established. I'm placing golden beets in this other vertical planter. For this tower, I'm going to make it all herbs. I'm placing a couple of sage plants on the top. I've got some cilantro. Because this tomato plant did so well with the companion basil plant, I decided to place one in each of the other tomato plants. Check out these tomatoes with the stripes growing on them. They are indigo cherry drop tomatoes. I'm excited about those.
So here's where things stand right now. All right, first and foremost, the powdery mildew issue that I had with those cucumbers just really decimated the plant. And so I pulled it, cleaned this bin out with bleach, and I'm not sure exactly what's gonna go in there next. Over here with my lettuces, I've just had so many lettuces that bolted on me, and I really shouldn't have been planting lettuces in the heat of the summer, but I've settled on a few Mizuna and this red mustard. There's not a lot of it here, but that's what's here right now. And I've got cilantro, and because this is a pretty shady spot over here, it's not bolting. My herb tower, that sage is really doing well. A little cilantro on there. The okra and that basil back there, loving that. All of my peppers. So this is the Thai chili. Got some on there. This one is a serrano. And as you can see, there's a bunch of flowers, a bunch of blooms and little peppers. That's a Korean pepper, Korean hot pepper. And those jalapenos, wow. Bell peppers are doing all right. What I learned about these strawberries is that they don't give you a lot in the first year. The second year is when they actually are supposed to have a big harvest. And they spend the first year just getting established and all of that. So looking forward to next year. Tomatoes. Look at this.
There's a hummingbird that hangs out regularly with a few of his friends. I really appreciate you all checking out my video today. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Until next time.